Hi, everyone. Welcome back. I'm Tracy Blim, and I am the Systems and Programs Junkie that helps holistic professionals get out of that session room and back into their lives while creating high impact and high income. So today we're talking about beta pricing and what is it and why do we do it? So beta pricing is when you're first launching something new. So in other words, if you've created a program, you only do it once. And what it is you offer it at 40 to 50% less than your intended pricing. So if you say, for example, have a $10,000 program, you would offer it at like $6,000 or $5,000. But you only do this for a certain number of people, which can be anywhere from 5 to 10. Anything under 5, you're not going to get really what you need, but 5 to 10 is kind of the sweet spot. Any more than 10 and you're just kind of throwing money out the window. Now, why do we do this? We do this because whenever we launch something new, it doesn't matter how much we've tested it. I've been doing this for years. I've helped create hundreds of programs and automations. There's always a bug or a hiccup somewhere. It could be something in a worksheet. It could be something that doesn't download, or an automation that doesn't go through, or you're testing out a new way of signing on people and you realize how clunky and awful it is. Because it's such a discounted price and you set it up that way when you invite people in at that price, that they are to let you know what's not working and what was amazing. So that's why the discount. If they are not telling you these things, then you remove them from the program. You need to make it that strict. Like if you don't fill out a survey, you don't get the next piece. If you don't tell me how it's going, you don't get the next piece, because some people who are kind of those bargain shoppers will jump in and then they give you nothing back. We want to avoid those. So the setup in the beginning is very important so that you're getting proper feedback. So that's the primary reason for beta pricing, is to find all the bugs so that you get them fixed. The second, and you also want to set this up in the beginning, is that you get testimonials from people that have gone through your program to say how amazing it is, so that as you flush out a bigger marketing strategy versus the skeleton one that you're doing when you're doing this beta pricing, you are able to include those real testimonials of that program in your marketing. It's really a beautiful thing. So that's the beauty of beta pricing, is really being able to determine where the bugs are, get that feedback, get the testimonials so that you can create the most amazing program for your clients. And I can tell you, with over 52 personal programs, this works so well, and people are so excited and grateful, not only for the discounted pricing, but they feel really important in that they get to help develop this amazing program and be part of it, and most importantly, help you while you're helping them. So, do I recommend beta pricing for all your new launches? Hell yes, I do. So see you in the next video. Cheers.